Imagine you've had a long, exhausting day, and as the night falls, all you want is to drift into deep, peaceful sleep. But instead, your mind keeps spinning, your body feels tense, and you find yourself staring at the ceiling, counting minutes instead of sheep. My friend, on Golden Rest Guide, I'm going to share with you a simple yet powerful bedtime drink that can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling truly refreshed. This isn't some expensive supplement or chemical pill. It's a natural, soothing mix you can make right in your kitchen. So stay with me until the end, because the secret isn't just in the ingredients, it's in how and when you drink it. Before we begin, take a second to subscribe to Golden Rest Guide, where we help older adults rediscover the beauty of calm nights, restful mornings, and renewed energy after 60. Now, let's begin your nightly journey toward deep, healing sleep. As we age, sleep becomes more fragile. Our hormones shift, melatonin production decreases, and stress can make our nervous system restless. But your body is wiser than you think. It remembers how to rest. It just needs the right signals. And that's exactly what this drink does. Imagine sitting quietly an hour before bed with a warm cup in your hands. The first ingredient is warm milk, the classic that never goes out of style. But not just plain milk. Add a pinch of nutmeg, known for its natural sedative compounds that calm your brain waves. Combine it with a teaspoon of raw honey, which gently increases insulin and helps tryptophan enter your brain, turning into serotonin, the happiness chemical that later converts to melatonin, your sleep hormone. As you sip, you'll feel your breathing slow and your shoulders relax. The second variation of this drink is perfect if you're lactose intolerant. Make a cup of chamomile tea with a slice of banana peel steeped in it. Banana peel contains magnesium and potassium, both vital for muscle relaxation. Add a dash of cinnamon for warmth and blood sugar balance, helping you avoid those midnight wake-ups caused by glucose drops. This version not only helps your body relax, but also soothes your digestive system, creating a calm internal environment that tells your brain it's time to rest. The third and most powerful version, a blend of turmeric, almond milk, and a pinch of black pepper. This golden milk not only improves sleep quality, but also reduces inflammation, eases joint pain, and soothes your nervous system. For many seniors, the secret to deep sleep isn't just relaxation, it's removing the physical discomfort that keeps them awake. Turmeric does exactly that. Black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, making this drink a perfect nighttime remedy for both body and mind. Now here's the most important part: timing. Don't drink this right before bed. Have it about 60 to 90 minutes before sleeping. This gives your body time to digest, absorb the nutrients, and trigger the gentle hormonal cascade that prepares you for rest. While you drink it, turn off your screens, dim the lights, and let your mind unwind. Pair this drink with a short gratitude reflection. Think of 3 things you're thankful for today. Gratitude naturally lowers stress hormones like cortisol and increases melatonin. You'll find yourself entering a peaceful mental space that makes falling asleep effortless. And remember, consistency is key. The first night you may simply feel relaxed. By the third or fourth night, your body starts remembering the ritual, the smell, the warmth, the peace, and it begins associating it with rest. Over time, your nervous system will respond automatically, allowing you to fall asleep easily and stay in deeper sleep cycles longer. Many of our older viewers from Golden Rest Guide have shared their stories, like Maria from Texas, who hadn't slept through the night in years until she started this nightly drink. Within 2 weeks, she stopped waking up at 3 a.m., and her morning fatigue disappeared. Or John from Ohio, who replaced his late-night coffee habit with golden milk and now says he feels 10 years younger because of real, uninterrupted sleep. These aren't miracles. They're the results of giving your body what it naturally needs to heal. Sleep is not a luxury. It's your body's nightly repair workshop. Without it, your brain can't detoxify, your muscles can't rebuild, and your heart can't rest. But when you give your body the right nourishment, it rewards you with the deep, healing sleep you've been missing. So tonight, instead of scrolling through your phone, try this drink ritual. Light a candle, play some gentle music, and remind yourself that you deserve rest, not restlessness. And before you close your eyes, whisper this to yourself: I allow my mind to rest. I allow my body to heal. I am safe to sleep. Because deep sleep doesn't begin in the body, it begins in the mind. If this message resonates with you, my dear friends, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Rest Guide and share this video with someone who struggles to sleep through the night. Let's build a community where rest is respected and healing is shared. Tell me in the comments what drink you'll be trying tonight. Warm milk, chamomile, or golden turmeric. I'd love to know what works best for you. And remember, your best days start with your best nights. Sleep well, dream deeply, and wake up ready to shine.